Hello everyone. Today I am starting a series on how to study smartly to achieve success. As a lifelong learner, educator, parent, I have undergone a lot of push and pulls of studies. Though the kind of the pushes and pulls are always different for all the three stakeholders. However, the end goal is one and the same, and that is success. But believe me, there is no shortcut or a magical formula for success. But yes, there are some easy little techniques for getting success. From this series, I will start giving some simple preliminary tips which you might be aware of, but it is always good to give reminders to our own self. So let us start with some simple little basic tips. Healthy eating habits. We start our day with breakfast. Balancing food choices over time is what counts. Breakfast provides the energy needed through an active morning. Skipping breakfast may cause trouble concentrating. So let us start our day with good, heavy and healthy breakfast for not only our body but also for our mind. Remember the golden rule for safety. Keep hot food hot, cold food cold. For example, soups and juices. Have soups always hot and juices always cold to extract their maximum benefits. Replace your fast food, French fries, burgers, pizzas, etc. with fruits and salads, especially an apple. Of course, a cheat day once in a week is always allowed. Remember, till date, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Add roughage to your diet. Porridge, oats, corn, etc. will prevent stomach discomfort and you will feel lighter when you are struggling with the solution of a mathematical problem. Drink plenty of water. It keeps the brain hydrated. A hydrated brain can remember more than a dehydrated brain. Of course, do not go silly or else you'll land up spending all your time in the loo. Exercise is a good stress buster. Walk or cycle 15 minutes a day at least thrice a week. Swim or play any sport once a week. Go for a jog in the evening for 15 minutes thrice a week. Too much asleep or too less asleep? What works? You need to decide for yourself the amount of sleep your body needs. According to me, a good 7 to 8 hours of tight sleep is sufficient, provided your sleep is a sound sleep but not a distracted one by the blessings of technology or the gadgets surrounding you. Do not engage in sport or tire yourself before you sit either for a test or a study period. Otherwise, in the beginning itself, you will feel like giving up. Ensure that you are not hungry, sleepy, tired, thirsty, and don't need to go to the restroom before you sit to study or give a test. Finish all these tasks before time so that you can give good amount of time to your decided goal. If you experience that while studying your mind is occupied by various thoughts, you can write whatever comes in your mind before you actually sit for study. This will help you to clear your mind of the thoughts and thus increase concentration. You may tear off the page after you have released the thoughts. Eat brain foods before you study or when you take a break during study. Dry fruits, bananas, chocolates, of course in moderation, helps the brain to stay awake. In the break time, you can listen to music which relaxes your mind and body. In music stores, you get CDs of relaxation. Avoid rock music. It may give you headaches, high pulse rate, etc. Graphic organizers are semantic maps which offer a visual representation of ideas. When you organize and design these maps, they apply important analytical skills as they think about how ideas are interrelated. So consolidate your studies in these mind maps, and of course, later these mind maps will be the ready reckoners for revision. I hope these simple little tips will help you in taking first step on the ladder of success. All the best. Thank you. I'll be soon with the next part of Study Smart.